Task 5, bank payments and receipts. So into task 5, A, bank feed or how to import a statement. So I have included a video, a short video which demonstrates how to activate bank feed with the new open banking rule. So this is the new open banking rule introduced on Zero a few months ago, and how to do that is quite easy and simple. So this is the helpful video I have included here. Also I have included step-by-step guide with screenshot. So in order to import a statement, so when you have the real bank or you're working for a company which is actual company, not as a trial version or demo version, you can connect the bank directly from Zero, and you don't have to import the statement manually. So the transaction will automatically appear on Zero on day-to-day basis, and you can reconcile straight from there. So that saves a lot of time and effort and gives you the real picture of the business position. So step one is you need to select the bank which you are going to import a statement, and there are three dots on the right hand side. So that's the step one. So let me show you that on Zero how it looks like. So on your dashboard, select the bank which you are going to. So we are going to start with the business current account. So that's the National Business Bank. So once you have decided the bank, you will see the three dots here on the right hand side. So once you click on that three dots, on the next screen you will see different options. So in that you need to click on import a statement, and once you click on that you will have the Zero template on the screen, and which you need to fill up and import a statement. So let's cover those areas and follow the steps. So again, on your course book I have included the screenshot here and circle the appropriate option, and you need to create a CSV template. So the intention of importing a CSV template of Zero is Zero has standard format, so that quite easily acceptable when you actually import the statement. But if you have your own format, you need to edit it. So it's always a good idea to import a CSV template on all the areas when you are doing Zero bookkeeping. So this is the bank statement for DSK Properties Limited, and this is a quarterly bank statement. Starts from 1st April 2019 to 30th June 2019, as you can see. And this is not actually a CSV format, so we need to convert this into CSV. So let's go on Zero. So I will start from step one again, just to have better understanding. So on your dashboard, we are doing this for the current account, National Business Bank current account. So I'm going to click on import a statement, and I'm going to manually import a statement because this is not actually a real bank. Here there are two small windows, as you can see. Here you can browse and import a statement which is actually ready in CSV format. So these are the file type or format which is acceptable on Zero. So you can browse and import it, but if not, you can just convert it into CSV template. So click on download CSV template provided by Zero. So let's open that, and that will go on the next screen. And what we need to do is, from your course book, we'll go to your course book and we just need to copy and paste the entire statement into CSV format, which is here. So this is the CSV format. As you can see, the columns with the star sign, they are mandatory, and the other ones are regarding the payee, description, the references, which is a car payment, BACS payment, etc. If you have issued a check, that's the check number. So this is a quite simple format, but just make sure in the amount column, the amounts which are going out of the bank should be in negative, and the amount which comes in the bank, in the business bank from your customer or from other sources must be positive. So let's go on our course book and have a look on the bank statement. So I will just say select and copy, And I'm straight away going to paste on CSV. And as you can see, so this is the date, amount, description, and payee. So I'm going to insert one more column, and I will say copy, paste, and the payee can come here because it's the same details. I don't want the balance figure because that's not actually a transaction. So my transaction starts from here, and date, amount, pay, description. Basically, we are just matching with Xero template, and we don't want the balance figure here. So the check number can be here. And my template has been matched. It looks nice now. I would like to have the same details of payee in my description column as well. So I'm just going to copy and paste the same thing. And looks fine. Make sure these are in number format and not as general. So format must be right. And this looks fine. Now I'm going to save this CSV template on my computer. So file, save as. I'll just save it on my desktop. And make sure the type is CSV. Save. And I will try to import, and let's see whether Xero is accepting our template file. I'll say browse. It's on the desktop. I'll say import. And Xero is asking for the final. Yeah, so description goes with description. Reference will be at reference. Amount will go with transaction amount. So let's have a look. Make sure they are all in number format. For some reason, if it is not acceptable, so let's cancel and try to import it again. Maybe Xero didn't like it was not in the number format before. And say import. And I think this time, hopefully, Xero will accept it. Yes, I can see that the date has matched, amount is matched, pay is matched, description is there. So when you're happy with that, we don't have the reference column. Yes, here. So it's missing. So let's select the reference. Yeah. So make sure you assign all the columns with the default columns given by Xero. Otherwise, the information will not be imported. So as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green ticks. So that is the acceptable data, and that will appear on your uh, bank statement. So once you're happy with that, I'm going to save it. And 16 statement lines were imported. And just to make sure that the 16 statement lines are the correct number, I can just select these and have a look, and you can see here count is 16. So we are not missing any of the line, and say OK. And as you can see, On the dashboard, there are 16 items imported on Xero via CSV template. And now we need to reconcile this item by allocating to different nominal codes or different customer ledger or supplier ledger. So we have successfully imported bank statement from the Word course book. This was a Word format. So we copied to CSV and then imported to Xero. And in the next task, we will be doing reconciliation.